Welcome to Smart Tech Gadgets, your one-stop shop for everything tech and gadgets. Are you curious about the latest innovations that will shape tomorrow? Do you want to stay ahead of the curve and understand how technology is changing the world? Then you've come to the right place. Darkness can be daunting, but with the right tool, it becomes an adventure. Introducing the WUBEN X3, the ultimate EDC flashlight designed to conquer any low-light situation. This pocket-sized powerhouse packs a punch, delivering up to 700 lumens of bright, crisp light. But don't let its size fool you. The WUBEN X3 is packed with features for versatile, everyday use. The WUBEN X3 is more than just a flashlight. It's a reliable companion for everyday adventures. Its compact size, versatility, and long-lasting battery ensure you're always prepared for whatever the darkness throws your way. In a world where staying connected is essential, even amidst the great outdoors, comes a solution that combines portability and sustainability. Introducing the Flip 10 Recharger by Goal Zero, a pocket-sized power bank that ensures you stay charged no matter where your adventures take you. With its 2,600 mAh battery capacity, the Flip 10 provides enough power to recharge your smartphones, fitness trackers, and other USB-powered devices multiple times. Its compact size makes it perfect for slipping into your pocket or backpack, ensuring you're always prepared for those unexpected moments when you need a quick recharge. NANOLEAF Elements Lighting Panels. These innovative panels promise more than just illumination. They promise to transform their living space into a personal oasis. The NANOLEAF Elements panels are more than mere lights. They're pieces of art that seamlessly blend with any interior decor. With their modular design, you can arrange the panels in various patterns to suit their style. Using the NANOLEAF app, you can adjust the brightness, color, and create custom scenes to match their mood and ambience. The touch-sensitive feature adds an interactive element, making the panels both fun and functional. NANOLEAF Elements have ability to sync with their smart home devices, allowing them to control the lighting with voice commands or have them react to other smart home functions. More than just lighting, NANOLEAF Elements enhances your well-being. Sync them with music for an immersive audio-visual experience, or use the rhythm module to translate your breathing into calming light patterns. Welcome to the future of workplace hygiene. MUNDUS Pro Sanitizing Device, your trusted solution for sanitizing surfaces and ensuring a safe environment for all. Harnessing the power of UVC light technology, MUNDUS Pro Sanitizing Device eliminates up to 99.9% of harmful bacteria and viruses from surfaces in just minutes. Say goodbye to germs and hello to peace of mind. With its user-friendly interface and simple operation, sanitizing your belongings has never been easier. Just place your items inside the chamber, press a button, and let MUNDUS Pro do the rest. From smartphones and tablets to keys and wallets, MUNDUS Pro Sanitizing Device is compatible with a wide range of everyday items, ensuring thorough disinfection for your entire workspace. Rest assured knowing MUNDUS Pro Sanitizing Device prioritizes safety at every step. With automatic shutoff when the chamber is opened, it's safe for users of all ages. Plus, its eco-friendly design ensures low energy consumption for a sustainable solution. MUNDUS Pro Sanitizing Device, your partner in maintaining a clean and hygienic workspace. Elevate your workplace hygiene and protect your team with confidence. Introducing the YEEDI Vac 2 Pro, your all-in-one solution for effortless cleaning. Tired of juggling a separate vacuum and mop? This innovative robot combines powerful suction with a unique oscillating mopping system, leaving your floors sparkling clean with just one pass. Boasting 3,000 PA of suction, the YEEDI Vac 2 Pro tackles even the toughest messes on both carpets and hard floors. Its intelligent carpet detection automatically boosts suction power on carpets for a deeper clean, while the gentle oscillating mops simulate manual mopping, effectively removing dried-on stains without damaging your floors. With a long-lasting battery life of up to 240 minutes, the YEEDI Vac 2 Pro cleans your entire home on a single charge, leaving you with more time to relax and enjoy life. And for ultimate convenience, the optional self-emptying dock automatically empties the dustbin after each cleaning, eliminating the need for manual intervention. The YEEDI Vac 2 Pro utilizes advanced 3D obstacle avoidance technology equipped with a structured light sensor and intelligent algorithm. This allows the robot to identify and avoid everyday obstacles like shoes, pet bowls, and even children's toys, ensuring a smooth and efficient clean. Visit YEEDI.com today to learn more and discover how the YEEDI Vac 2 Pro can transform your cleaning routine, and also you can buy this on Amazon, link are in description. Introducing the OCTOPASS, the all-in-one solution for stress-free charging anywhere in the world. This innovative charger combines an adapter, power bank, and wireless charger in one convenient device. Say goodbye to bulky adapters and lost plugs. The OCTOPASS supports over 200 countries with built-in pins, and its versatile design works with virtually any device. Expand More Plus, the integrated wireless charging pad, eliminates the need for messy cables. But the OCTOPASS doesn't stop there. Its detachable 10,000 mAh power bank ensures you stay powered on the go, charging multiple devices with fast charging technology. Whether you're exploring a new city or relaxing in your hotel room, the OCTOPASS keeps you connected. Never worry about running out of battery again. The OCTOPASS's suction cup technology allows you to securely attach the power bank to your phone or any smooth surface for convenient charging while you're out and about. The OCTOPASS isn't just for travel. Its sleek design and versatility make it perfect for home use too. Charge your devices wirelessly. Use it as a wall charger, or detach the power bank for portable charging. The possibilities are endless. Introducing the EXO Card, the world's thinnest magnetic wireless power bank. Forget chunky power bricks and messy cables. This innovative solution snaps effortlessly onto your phone, charging wirelessly for ultimate convenience. The Juice Card is more than just a power bank. It's a lifestyle accessory, sleek and portable, fitting seamlessly into your daily routine. Whether you're working, traveling, or enjoying leisure time, stay powered without compromising on style or convenience. Don't let a dead battery hold you back. The EXO Card is the perfect solution for staying connected and powered up, wherever life takes you. Join the movement and experience the freedom of wireless charging, anytime, anywhere. If you like these smart gadgets, you can buy them from the link in the description below. And don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more content. Introducing the Peak Design Mobile Tripod, the ultra-portable solution for capturing incredible content with your phone. Designed by award-winning engineers, the mobile tripod packs precision performance into a pocket-friendly form. Powerful magnets seamlessly integrate with MagSafe compatible phones, instantly transforming your mobile device into a powerful camera setup. Go beyond selfies and shaky handheld footage. The mobile tripod unlocks creative possibilities, allowing you to shoot stable time lapses, group photos, long exposure shots, and more. Its flexible ball head ensures smooth adjustments for perfect framing every time. Ever worry about missed deliveries or porch pirates stealing your packages? Worry no more. Introducing the EUFY Security Smart Drop, the ultimate solution for secure and convenient package delivery. This innovative box protects your parcels around the clock, giving you peace of mind whether you're at home or away. Say goodbye to flimsy boxes and worrying about porch pirates. The Smart Drop's robust design, featuring anti-corrosion and waterproof coating, can withstand even the harshest weather conditions, keeping your deliveries safe and dry. You can connected and in control even when you're not home. The Smart Drop features a high-definition camera and two-way audio, allowing you to see and talk to delivery drivers remotely. The Smart Drop offers ultimate flexibility and convenience. Multiple access options, including PIN codes, remote unlocking, and even voice assistance, ensure you always have control over your deliveries. Experience the peace of mind and convenience of secure package delivery with the EUFY Security Smart Drop. Order yours today and never worry about missed deliveries or stolen packages again. Meet the DELL ultra-sharp webcam, designed to elevate your virtual presence and leave a lasting impression. This isn't your average webcam. It boasts a professional-grade sensor for stunning 4K Ultra HD resolution, ensuring you appear sharp and polished in every meeting, presentation, or live stream. Whether you're a business professional, content creator, or stay-at-home parent, the DELL ultra-sharp webcam empowers you to connect with confidence. Its advanced features and user-friendly design make it perfect for any video communication need. Take control of your image and audio. The DELL Peripheral Manager app allows you to customize settings, manage presets, and update firmware for enhanced performance. Upgrade your video communication experience with the DELL ultra-sharp webcam. Capture every detail, eliminate distractions, and make a lasting impression. Visit Dell.com today and unlock a world of clearer, sharper, and more professional video interactions. Introducing the EDIFIER MP200, the portable Bluetooth speaker designed to fuel your passions wherever they take you. Small but mighty, the MP200 packs powerful sound in a palm-sized package. Don't let its size fool you. This speaker delivers rich, dynamic audio that fills any space with your favorite music, podcasts, or audiobooks. Built for the elements, the MP200 boasts an IP54 rating, making it dustproof and splashproof. Whether you're conquering mountains, chilling by the pool, or exploring the city, this speaker keeps the energy flowing rain or shine. You can enjoy up to 10 hours of continuous playtime on a single charge, enough to soundtrack your entire adventure. Also easy to connect via Bluetooth 4.1 and seamlessly switch between music and calls with the built-in microphone, perfect for staying connected on the go. Introducing the PILO 2 Fabric Shaver in Sand, your elegant solution to pesky pilling and lint. This stylish device breathes new life into your clothes, restoring their smooth, fresh look effortlessly. Featuring 6 precision razor blades and a large shaving area, the PILO 2 tackles pilling on all kinds of fabrics, from delicate knits to thick blankets. Its powerful yet gentle action ensures thorough, damage-free results. From sweaters and coats to furniture and curtains, the PILO 2 is your versatile tool for fabric revival. Say goodbye to the need for multiple shavers. This one handles it all. Experience the PILO 2 difference. Its user-friendly design, powerful performance, and stylish aesthetics make it the perfect fabric care companion. Breathe new life into your wardrobe and keep your textiles looking their best with the PILO 2 Fabric Shaver in Sand. Invest in sustainable fashion care and say goodbye to piling forever. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of the future. What are you excited about in the future of technology? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more content.